Hello class, this is a video tutorial on converting fractions into decimals. In the first example, we saw just the basic method. The second example, we saw how we have repeating or recurring decimals. And this third example has a mixture of both, as well as having whole numbers in the decimal as well. Now, the method remains the same, so you can pause at any time and apply the same method. And yeah, here we go. So now remember, the denominator is the divisor, and the dividend is the numerator. And we know we're going to be borrowing decimals, so I'm just going to start straight away as 7.0. Now, you'll notice straight away that 4 can go into 7, because 4 times 1 gives me 4. Let's write this out. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. That should be enough. Let's keep going. 24, 28. I believe that should be enough. But now look, 4 can go into 7 one time. So this time, rather than starting at 0, we can start straight away at 1 point. And now 4 times 1 is 4. Now to get to 7, we need the remainder of 3. Now 4 into 30, if we just scan, we can see that 28 is the closest we can get to. That's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so that's going to be 7. Now 4 times 7 is 28. So the remainder of 2 we apply to the next decimal. And once again, 4 into 20 is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. It stops there because the remainder is 0. And so 7 divided by 4 is 1.75. So we've successfully converted this as 1.75. And there we have it. Let's do this again for the next number. 9 into 11.0. And once again, before I begin, I'm going to do my 9 times tables here. So just to the side. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54. Let's stop there for now. And now we'll take a look. 9 into 11, you can fit 1 9 in. So it's going to be 1 point. 9 times 1 is 9. To get to 11 is a remainder of 2. So now we go 9 into 20. 18 is the closest we can get. So that's going to be 2 times. So 1.2. Now 9 times 2 is 18, with a remainder of 2 to get to 20. And I hope now we can already see that the recurring decimal is going to begin. 9 into 20 is 18. So it's going to be 2 times with the remainder of 2. And now that division is going to repeat forever. So it's going to be 2, remainder 2, and so on. And so we know that that 2 is going to recur forever. So as we've seen before, we can write this as 1.2. And since the 2 is repeating, the 2 gets a dot above it. All right, so let's move to the next example. 15 divided by 8, or 8 into 15. Once again, to make this a little easier for ourselves, let's do our 8 times tables. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48. Let's hope that's enough for now. 8 into 15 is quite close for 16, but we only know that's going to be 1 point. 8 times 1 is 8. Now for 8 to get to 15, we need 7 more. So it's going to be a remainder of 7. Oh, so 8 into 70. So we need to get closer than 48. So that's 48. The next one's going to be 56. That's 7 times 8. 7 times 9 is 72. Let's double check. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56. Oh, 64. Sorry, I missed that one. 64. 72. We'll stop there. And now the closest I can get to 70 is this one here, 64, which is 8 times 8. Now for that one, 64, to get to 70 is a remainder of 6. And so 8 into 60, the closest one we can see here is 56. That is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's 56. To get to 60 is a remainder of 4. And this one stops exactly. 8 into 40 is exactly 5 times here, with a remainder of 0. So 15 over 8 converts into 1.875. And there we have it. Okay, so, let's try this last one. 3 into 10. 3 into 10. And once again, let's get our 3 times tables here. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. And so 3 into 10, the closest I can see here is 9. So that's 3 times 3 gives me 9. So 3 times 3 gives me 9. But to get to 10, we get a remainder of 1. That's now into the decimals. And we already have it. 3 into 10 is 9. So it's 3 times with a remainder of 1. And this is already repeating that pattern. 3 into 10, well, that's going to be 3. And as you can see, that this division is going to repeat forever. So this 10 divided by 3 is 3.3 recurring. And we put the dot on just the digit that is recurring. All right, so hope that gave you an insight into converting fractions into decimals using long division. I hope to see you in the next video, and best of luck.